guess this is it. I always thought, not that it matters now, but I always thought that somehow, someday, I would figure out what I'm good for. Anything, but I think it's clear I'm not good for anything. I mean, I guess this is the part where I should say don't feel bad or it's not your fault, but fuck that. If you feel bad at all, then this is your fault. Okay, it's my father's fault. Mom, it's your fault. Everyone at school, I mean, the teachers, the kids, the principal, it's your fault. And I want you to think about that for the rest of your lives. I want it to eat you up. And I want you to wonder what you could have done to help me. Who the fuck am I kidding? I mean, no one will miss me. No one will miss me. No one will care or feel bad. And you'll all just be happier. I mean, I can't fit in. I'm too weird. And it's not gonna change. I don't know how to not be myself. I can't not be me. And I guess I'll never kiss a girl or see a red-crowned crane in the wild, but the fuck is the point of that anyway? I mean, it's just a fucking bird, right? No one cares about fucking birds. So I'm sorry for being in your lives, okay? I'm sorry for wasting your time. Okay? I mean, this is it. This is goodbye. In my next life, I'd like to be a fucking bird if requests are allowed, but so long.